listening to Robert Fain's podcast. Welcome.
Have you ever wondered how different philosophies shape our understanding of God? Today we explore the striking contrasts between Talmudic philosophy and Augustine's Christian philosophy. Both philosophies, though stemming from the same biblical roots, present unique perspectives on God, humanity, and moral life. The Talmud, a compilation of discussions by rabbis, offers a multifaceted voice. It presents a world where God is a dynamic presence, embodying justice and mercy, not a distant metaphysical entity. In contrast, Augustine presents a unified theological system, defining God as unchanging and perfect. His God stands outside history, while the Talmud finds God within the struggles of daily moral life. The Talmud emphasizes human agency, advocating that individual moral responsibility drives our existence. It famously states, "Everything is in the hands of heaven except the fear of heaven," highlighting our power to choose. Augustine, however, emphasizes human limitation due to original sin and the need for divine grace. For him, freedom requires healing, while the Talmud champions our ability to shape our moral paths. Intellectual culture also differs significantly. The Talmud embraces debate and unresolved questions, believing that truth emerges from this friction. In contrast, Augustine seeks unity, desiring to resolve disputes and create coherent doctrines. His philosophy aims for consensus, while the Talmud celebrates the act of questioning as part of divine truth. In daily life, the Talmud finds holiness in the mundane, through laws, property disputes, and daily interactions. It teaches that sanctification of the present moment is vital. Augustine's philosophy, however, revolves around the journey from sin to salvation, focusing on a grand narrative that culminates in eternal life. Law emerges as another point of divergence. The Talmud views halakha as integral to Jewish life, while Augustine interprets the law as a guide towards grace. Augustine respects Jewish practices, but sees them primarily as historical testimonies to Christian truth. The Talmud sees its laws as living expressions of covenantal life. Despite these differences, both philosophies share a profound commitment to reason and moral truth. They both advocate for a responsible human agency and utilize Greek philosophical tools to articulate their beliefs. Ultimately, the Talmud and Augustine represent two complementary intellectual traditions. One finds God in the daily details and ongoing debate, while the other seeks God in unified doctrine and salvation's grand narrative. By examining these philosophical paths, we gain a deeper appreciation of the diverse ways to seek wisdom and understanding in our spiritual journeys. As we delve deeper, let us consider how these philosophies approach the concept of morality, which remains central to both. The Talmud's moral framework emphasizes situational ethics, suggesting that context shapes moral decisions. In contrast, Augustine advocates for absolute moral truths grounded in divine law. He believes innate human reason is capable of discerning these truths, yet heavily influenced by sin. This fundamental difference illustrates the ongoing dialogue between individual moral judgment and universally established norms in navigating life's complexities. The Talmud, in its embrace of moral complexity, often cites countless scenarios where context alters the outcome of a moral dilemma. For example, it invites discourse on how one's intentions behind an action can impact its ethical legitimacy. Augustine, however, would respond with caution, emphasizing that while intentions matter, true morality is defined by adherence to God's absolute commandments, not merely human interpretation. This fundamental tension sets the stage for a rich exploration of how one might live a morally responsible life in diverse circumstances, with each philosophy guiding adherents in their unique ways. As we further explore the implications of these differing moral frameworks, we can observe how they influence community and individual relationships. The Talmud encourages communal discourse, fostering a collective understanding that morality emerges from diverse opinions. Rabbis and scholars engage in vibrant debates, showcasing a belief in the potency of dialogue to reveal truth. Meanwhile, Augustine emphasizes the role of the Church as a moral authority, providing a unified interpretation of divine will that shapes individual conduct. This divergence highlights the contrasting paths of moral engagement, one rooted in community dialogue and the other anchored in institutional guidance, which profoundly impact how followers of each tradition interact with their moral landscapes. As we shift our focus to how these philosophies affect the understanding of divinity, we can see further distinctions emerging. In Talmudic thought, God is interwoven with the everyday lives of individuals, seen as an active participant in the struggles and questions humanity faces. The Talmud invites believers to engage with the divine through their daily actions, fostering a relationship grounded in experience and inquiry. Conversely, Augustine's perspective positions God as the ultimate, unchanging being, representing a transcendent force that offers salvation but often feels distant from human experience. This fundamental contrast influences how adherents perceive their relationship with God and the nature of faith itself. As we draw closer to a deeper understanding of these philosophies, we see their implications extend beyond theory into the realm of personal faith practices. Talmudic values encourage ritual observance that enhances daily life, guiding individuals to find sanctity in ordinary actions such as prayer, charity, and communal gatherings. Each act is seen as a contribution to a collective moral journey. In contrast, Augustine's teachings direct followers toward a profound reflective practice centered on personal salvation, where faith becomes an internal struggle marked by grace and redemption. Here, the individual's relationship with God flourishes through introspection and adherence to the Church's teachings, showcasing how these traditions intricately shape spiritual lives. Ultimately, this exploration reveals a tapestry of beliefs, inviting us to appreciate the beauty in diverse interpretations of the divine and our moral responsibilities. As we connect these ideas, we uncover how both philosophies weave intricate patterns into the fabric of human experience, offering guidance that resonates across centuries. The Talmud's rich discourse and Augustine's unwavering doctrines shape a profound exploration of morality, community, and divinity, encouraging us to navigate life's complexities with both humility and hope. Seeking deeper understanding enriches our personal journeys, inviting us to celebrate the diverse paths towards wisdom and spiritual fulfillment. In conclusion, the interplay between Talmudic philosophy and Augustine's teachings enriches our understanding of God and morality, highlighting the beauty of diverse perspectives. Both paths invite us to engage meaningfully in our spiritual journeys, fostering appreciation for the complexity of faith and the pursuit of truth in our lives.
Das Wort